Hello everyone, it's Naomi here, and today I'm going to show you my tornado twist tutorial that I promised a long time ago. My hair is partially combed out right now. It has been washed, it was washed on Friday, and I've been twisting it in about 5 twists plus this, so 6 twists counting this, every night. And I wear this stocking cap on my head. It's literally just a pantyhose, that's what I wear on my head at night, and it keeps my hair in good shape. So the part in the front is combed out, the part in the back is not combed out. So in a second I will comb out the rest of the hair and you'll be able to see how I do that. I will be using a wide tooth comb to do that. And once my hair is all combed out, we will go ahead and do our tornado twist. So I'll see you in a bit. Alright, the combing begins. So I'm just taking my hair, which has come out of a twist, and I'm just combing it. And this is a wide tooth comb that I'm using. I really like wide tooth combs, they work quite well. Really, you can get your hair combed out when it's dry and it's been in twist for a few days relatively quickly and with not that much trouble. It's not hard to comb, in my opinion, although you cannot drag the comb through your hair. You have to lift it. If you notice, I'm mostly not dragging, I'm kind of lifting it frequently. I do pull at the ends, but generally, no, I'm not dragging it. Okay. So here's the hair I'm throwing away, and I will see you in a bit and we will do our tornado twist. Hello, it's Naomi, I'm back. So in just a bit I am going to start doing my tornado twist. And I will just tell you, this tornado twist can work on straight hair as well. I have done this when my hair was flat ironed and it worked fine. So if you have straight hair, if you have wavy hair, if you have hair like mine, it will work. You can definitely make this style work. So just in a little bit, my wrists are sore today, so I'm massaging them. But once I'm done here, I will start doing this tornado twist. So what I'm going to use is a bristle brush right here. And I'm going to put some water on it. In my sink. I just tap it on the side of the sink just like that. Then I take the brush and I just start brushing. And I brush and I brush and I brush. Because the water is kind of like a hair gel in a way. It makes your hair smooth down. I think I could use another coating of the water, so I'm going to be using that in just a second. Sore wrists can be an inconvenience, but they will get better soon. So once again, I'm going to take my brush and smooth and smooth and smooth. And now I take my hands, my hair is quite thick, take my hands and smooth it. And then I'm going to take a ponytail holder and I'm going to put my hair through there. And I'm going to loop it around like so. I always pull a few hairs like this so it won't be so tight. So now you see I have this little poof in the back, and this is the first part of getting your tornado twist. So have a poof. In just a second I will go ahead and do a little more brushing actually at the top. Some hairs came up, so make them lie down again. And now I'll take my hands, I'll take the poof, and I'll start moving in my hands like this and making the shape of a tornado with my hair. I think it's so interesting how poofy, frizzy hair can smooth down into this shiny little cone. And you just do this. I'm not going to go all the way to the end. I go about up to here. Then I take it, I lift it, I tuck the end in like so. I take a clip like this. I take it, I put it on two sides, and I clip. And it's in. And sometimes it doesn't turn out quite how I like when the sides are a little poofy. So I'm not going to get too bogged down with that. I'm just going to take my brush and I'm going to brush it again. Brush, 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 brush. I didn't get everything so even. I probably will take it down and do it again, honestly, to make it more symmetrical on the top, but for the purpose of this video, I think it's good enough. And now you see I do have this twist here that is actually looking like I won't have to redo it. I think I'll just take some bobby pins this time. And I have another video where I show my cornrow twist, which is what this is. And I'll just take the end here and I will pull it up like so. And I will tuck a bobby pin in there. I will take in the other end, I will pull it up here. I will tuck another bobby pin in here. And I still see a little part sticking up on the top. So I'll take that part and I will tuck another bobby pin in there. And then I see this little thing here, so I'll just push that behind my ear. And I'll do a little more brushing. 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 So, like I said, it could be a little more symmetrical. I'll probably leave it the way it is. It's okay for me. But this is how you do the tornado twist. And I just noticed actually that a little piece is kind of sticking out here at the bottom, so I'll just smooth that with my hand and just take a little bobby pin and kind of push that up like so that gets a little more tacked down. So there you have it. That is how I do my tornado twist. And I hope that this has been helpful to somebody, and I hope that you have a blessed day. Please do remember that a meek and quiet spirit in the sight of God is of great price, and yet beauty, God made beauty, and He wants us to enjoy it. So let's have the inner beauties and the outer beauties. God bless. Take care.